When it comes to the world of the exotic BMW, what should you expect? Economical, style and power, is what BMW is all about. Let's look at the BMW Series. It seems pretty clear: a sporty, comfortable, fuel-efficient, and driver-friendly ride, with low auto maintenance required. The BMW 2 Series brings the two-door lineage of the iconic Sporty 2002, and is more thrilling to drive than the 3 Series. The BMW 230i comes with a 4-cylinder turbo. The engines are new, with more power and lower emissions than previously, and available as a coupe or convertible. The standard cloth seats make the 230 Series feel basic, the optional leather more BMW-like. The thrifty side appears again with some hard plastics tucked in low-traffic places. For a sports coupe, the cabin is spacious. The front seats offer ample space, and optional power adjustment, including the steering wheel. There is a glove box, 2 cup holders, and roomy pockets in the doors. The rear seat is a long way from being comfortable for everyone, but at least there's a function that makes climbing in and out easier. It's particularly useful in the convertibles, whose rear seat is narrower to fit the top and its mechanism. The convertible's power top can be dropped or raised at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, and it can do this in about 20 seconds.